Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Monica. And today for you guys I have a brand new video, and on this video I'm going to be doing the 10-minute makeup challenge. I am a little bit scared, but I'm fully ready. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set a 10-minute timer, and I'm going to try to do my whole face and see how much I get done. I know I might cut corners here and there because I only have 10 minutes. But yeah, let's get started with the video. Okay, so let me get ready. So 10 minutes have been set. I'm like really nervous. And I'm gonna start now. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyebrows. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Duo Powder. Just because, you know, I only have 10 minutes, so... Okay. I'm gonna shape it first. Oh, that's weird. I'm then gonna go in and carve my eyebrows as much as I can. So I'm gonna comb. Okay, eyebrows are done. I'm now gonna move on to my primer, and for my primer I'm gonna be using the Too Faced one, and I'm just gonna be rubbing it all over my skin. Now I'm gonna go in with foundation. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer. And I'm gonna go in with some powder. Okay, I'm then gonna add some mascara. I'm then gonna add a little bit of bronzer. I'm also gonna add a little bit of blush. And I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight. then I'm going to go ahead and clean my eyelid. I'm going to add a little bit of gloss. And timer is up. Okay guys, so this is my 10-minute makeup challenge. This is what I was able to come up. It's not my best, but let me bring you guys a little bit closer so you guys can take a look. So this is what I came up with in 10 minutes. I mean, it's not that bad. I think this is something that I will wear maybe on a daily when I'm just doing something simple and I don't want to be full glam. Obviously, if I have a little bit more time, I will blend things out a little bit more. I will grab a better concealer because I look dead. I will probably not take as much time on my eyebrows. But I had so much fun doing this challenge. I feel like my anxiety level was like off the roof because I literally kept looking at the timer or at the little timer on the camera, and I started freaking out, like panicking. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and make sure to turn on your post notifications so you guys can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And make sure to follow me on my social medias, and if you guys like, you guys can also follow my blog channel. I will link everything down below, and I hope you guys are staying safe. Bye!